ETH cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in an unpretentious manner. ETH especially faces obstruction at $1,364.37, or so they essentially thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum truly is drifting at $3,995,773,024 in an unpretentious manner. The EMA 50 generally is as of now at $1,421.10, which especially is genuinely huge. 28 July 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly by and large, got clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What explicitly is most certainly momentary cost expectation for Ethereum explicitly is a fundamentally wise venture, which essentially is very critical. Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they essentially thought. Yet, prior to jumping sort of profound into the ETH specialized investigation, for the most part allowed us for the most part to discuss the by and large current economic situations, which especially is very huge. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,182,183,498,100 in a quite large manner. The sort of all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $26,292,611,763 in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, which truly is genuinely huge, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level after a decay of 0.58%, exhibiting how Ethereum support and opposition levels and so on, which truly is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value decline of 0.23%, coming to $1,869.44 during the past 24 hours, showing that the fundamentally all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $26,292,611,763 in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time period, showing how which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level after a decay of 0.58%, exhibiting how Ethereum support and opposition levels and so on, or so they for the most part thought. BNB, the local coin of BNB, especially is up by 0.08 and presently exchanging at $241.76, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which really is genuinely huge. These occasions especially show that the market sort of is going in a by and large descending course for genuinely present moment, exhibiting how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a descending heading for extremely present moment, or so they in a real sense thought. As of now, an especially broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they explicitly thought. Ethereum backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every way that really matters are significant specialized pointers used to, for the most part, distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they explicitly thought. Support basically is a level at which purchasers really become sort of more especially dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, essentially further appearance. How market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,182,183,498,100 in a truly significant manner. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors in every practical sense move truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a truly significant way. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum. Ethereum execution The cost of Ethereum, ETH, generally is at $1,869.44, down 0.23% in the essentially beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 1.26% over the course of the week in a for the most part huge manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC, generally, is $3,995,773,024.00 United States dollars. While kind of all out, market cap came to $225,804,058,753 United States dollars in an exceptionally significant manner. There in a real sense are very nearly 120,787,042. Especially are available for use out of 120,787,042, showing that yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the ETH specialized examination, in a real sense, let us especially discuss the especially current economic situations, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum Value Examination ETH Cost Examination for 28 July 2023, Insight and Everyday Time Span, commonly made sense of underneath. So these occasions certainly show that the market for the most part is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for most certainly present moment, exhibiting how these occasions basically demonstrate that the market especially is going in a descending course for exceptionally present moment, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal union and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to truly examine the future development of the Ethereum.THEMACD line, especially is remaining above of the truly signal line, after a really sure hybrid, showing how right now, an extremely broad certainly regrettable plunge, can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram. Pretty further appearance. How following truly are the help and opposition levels of Ethereum. At Ethereum execution, the cost of Ethereum, ETH, by and large is at $1,869.44, down 0.23% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and fundamentally has a value change of 1.26% over the course of the week, which sort of is genuinely critical. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 42 and generally is attempting to, in a real sense, break out of the nonpartisanship zone, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge, while ETH's Williams %R marker most certainly is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange truly signal in a real sense is most certainly conceivable at this reach, which truly shows that however prior to jumping in every practical